up, guys? This is Damien.
This is Omar.
And we're Top 5 E-bikes.
And we're here at Ebikery, which is one of our local bike shops here in Santa Barbara, California. And we're here for a couple reasons. Number one, we're here to pick up a Rad Runner 3 Plus that Rad Power Bikes sent us. And Ebikery is actually the bike shop that assembled it for us. So in a couple weeks, we've had 2 bikes actually assembled at bike shops, which is pretty cool. So we're here to pick up the Rad Runner 3. And then in addition to that, Fernando, who's the owner of this bike shop, is going to talk to us about the different bikes that they carry here at the shop, why you should think about purchasing from a local bike shop versus potentially buying direct from a brand online. And then also he's going to talk about some of the services that they offer here.
And we've just had a really great experience. This is a relatively new shop here in Santa Barbara. It's the shop that we refer all of our friends to. So a lot of our friends are getting e-bikes, partly because of us, partly because of some of the reviews we've been doing, and they want to support the channel, and they just want to help us get the word out. So we really enjoy coming here and hanging out with Fernando and Tom.
If you haven't subscribed to Top 5 E-Bikes, you should do so right now.
Get on it right now. Hit that subscribe button.
Check out our website, top5ebikes.com, where we have a ton of reviews. We have guides, discount pages.
We try to review we try to write an article for every YouTube review we've done. We don't have a YouTube review on the Rad Runner 2, but we do have an article. So check that out if you haven't already, and hopefully there'll be some other cool content there that you'll enjoy.
Cool. So let's go into the bike shop. Let's go get our bike, and let's go talk to the people at Ebikery.
All right, so the other reason we're here at Ebikery is just because we had our Rad Runner 3. Rad sent us the Rad Runner 3 Plus, and we had the option of getting it assembled at a bike shop, and this was the bike shop that was made available. So it was kind of a no-brainer for us. Send it to Ebikery, shop that we love and trust. And so here it is, the new Rad Runner 3 Plus. It's $2,300 right now. It's got a few upgrades on the previous Rad Runner 2. We wrote an article on the blog about the Rad Runner 2. I have a friend that has them. That's probably the bike you see the most here in Santa Barbara. It's probably the most popular bike. You see them everywhere. But yeah, we're excited about this. We're gonna have an upcoming video. We're gonna have a full review on the Rad Runner 3 Plus. But I just wanted to point out a couple key upgrades. This has hydraulic disc brakes. Pretty awesome. You'll notice that Rad has really stepped up their game in terms of safety and more braking power. And there's like more warnings now. It tells you like you have to be 16 plus to operate this bike. It reminds you to wear a helmet. So, you know, all good things that you should do anyway, but Rad Runner is trying to be a little bit ahead of the curve on that. And other thing that this bike has, this bike has suspension. The previous one did not. This is a 7-speed, whereas the previous Rad Runner was a single speed. And this bike does have a little bit more cargo capacity. It's up to 350 pounds, where the previous version was 300. So some of the key differences of these two bikes. We're excited to give you the full review in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned and please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so I'm here with Fernando, the owner of Ebikery, our local e-bike shop here in Santa Barbara. So just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Sure.
First of all, when did you start the shop, and why did you decide to focus on e-bikes?
We started 4 years ago. We moved to this location last year, so we've been 1 year in this location. We started just before COVID, 2019. And actually we had a personal experience buying an e-bike in town, and we couldn't find at the time like a good service, lots of accessories. The bike was for my wife, and we're in the process of trying to get some business started, and one day I think there's an opportunity there to have a e-bike specific store with a lot of accessories, different models, a good inventory to show people, and good service. So that's pretty much how we started.
Okay, there was definitely a need at the time.
Yeah, that was the other bike shop didn't at the time. What e-bikes were getting it started.
Yeah, 2020
was trending already, but not a lot. And we just got that before COVID, and then COVID everything exploded. So we were kind of the right place at the right time.
Yeah, perfect. Smart timing
Yep.
for sure. 2020 is about when we started filming our reviews. Why do you think someone should buy an e-bike from a shop rather than just ordering online from a direct-to-consumer store?
Yeah, there's a few reasons for that. First, when you go to the shop, you have the opportunity to test ride different bikes, different models, size, comfort. If you like the style of the bike you drive, how to drive, and how the power, how all of that turns to be like a good bike that you're going to ride it. So test ride the bike is the first and one of the most important reasons why you should go to a local bike shop. Second, when you buy a bike shop from us, the bike that you're buying, it's a bike that we received, we already tested, all the components are good. The bike has been assembled and tested and tuned up. We'll give you a free checkup on the bike after you rode the bike for like 30 days. And you start the relationship with that business that is probably going to serve you for many years.
Many years, right?
So that's very important to create that relationship. So the customer will know us, we'll know the customer, and we can tailor not just the bike, but all the accessories what will make the most sense for what the customer wants to do.
Right.
It's a
Their
commute, or just have fun on the weekends, or like mountain biking, and what are the accessories that make sense for that solution. So we started this solution for the customer's problem, not just the product itself. And when you go online, you just see the product. Okay, this is the product.
Right.
But it might not work when you receive it. And sometimes even shipping gets problems.
Right.
And then you have to wait to get a new part. So when you get it for the shop, it's a bike that is ready to go.
No, it's good.
And it's good, ready to go.
Get your stamp for approval. Yeah, and your shop is cool because we can talk about some of the bikes you offer, but you guys sell a lot of Eventum bikes, and we recommend Eventum bikes to a lot of our friends. And some people, they're just not going to want to assemble their own bike. Right? They're just not going to trust themselves with something that risky, right? So for them, we would say, you got to come to Ebikery, right? They'll hook you up, they'll set you up.
Exactly. So
any other what are the bike models that you guys are selling here?
So we have several different brands. We have Aventon, we have Mockwheel, we have Surface 604, Magnum, and then we have more high-end mountain bikes and mid-drive bikes like Gazelle, Mondraker, other styles too.
You have $10,000 bikes, and you also have
we do. $1,500 to $10,000 bikes. So everything, or all needs and sizes and shapes and styles.
It's like a candy store when you come here. It's fun to walk around, just look at all the bikes. And so another great reason that we kind of talked about is just the specific services that you guys offer, and then customizing accessories for bikes. Well, what are specifically the services that you offer?
So we have full service shop. We can service any kind of bike, regular bikes, e-bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, anything.
So even though you're called e-bikery, you'll take.
We'll take, and we try to help our customers anything they need, even a bike that is not purchased here, welcome to bring to the shop, and we'll try to diagnose what is the problem, even if it's like electronics problem. We'll try to find where the problem is, even helping the customer source their parts if we can. But like any bike, even bikes that if we don't have a bike that's what the customer needs, we tell the customer, hey, send the bike here, we'll assemble for you. So we can do anything on any bikes, from replacing a motor to changing controllers, or replacing a flat, or changing brakes, installing new hydraulic brakes. We do all. And we've been getting customers from all the Central Coast, because we're one of the few shops, if not the only one here in town, that accepts pretty much anything. And
then a lot of bike shops, that's not common. Right?
No, it's not. Some bike shops only offer what they are used to for the bikes that they sell. So they can guarantee that they have the parts, but having so many different brands allow us to have more expertise on different parts, and what works, what doesn't work, and yeah, we just help a lot, and we're getting more and more, information about other bikes. So we already have a lot of experience on other brands that we find a lot in town. We even have sometimes parts or controllers and stuff to diagnose those bikes.
Okay, great. Anything else you want to tell to our watchers?
Yeah, I think everybody's welcome to come. We have one of the best selections of accessories to customize your bike, and we'll help you out. Just come and visit us.
Awesome. Thank you very much,
All right,
Fernando.
thank you guys.
We'll see you again soon. Maybe we'll do more videos here at the E-bikery.
All right, sounds awesome.
If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. Visit us at top5ebikes.com or some of our social media accounts. Thank you.